What's up, guys? Tech Mentor here today. Today is about this budget phone. I've had this phone for a while. Though it came late, I bought this phone last year, and to be honest, it was just delivered a few weeks ago. And it came late, and I've been so busy. So today, I'm a little bit less busy. So why not? Let's unbox the phone. This is Poco M3. If you're looking for a budget king, this phone should be one of it. I've not tried this phone, so I don't know what to expect. But because this phone is made by Xiaomi, and Xiaomi, it's a good company from China. They have a lot of products, and I've used some of their products in the past, and they don't disappoint in overall performance. So I'm so excited to unbox this phone. I don't know what, I've not seen a video about this phone, so I don't know what to expect. But this phone is less than 130 pounds. I don't know how much that will cost in dollars, and comparing to the UmiDG, which is about the same price. Is it the UmiDG A9 Pro? Yeah, so it's about the same price. So they fall in the same category. I think this is the budget phone, and it did perform very well, except for the camera department, which some features is missing. So don't let's talk too much, guys. Let's jump straight into the unboxing of this phone. So I'm going to unbox the phone now. I'm going to see what's inside the phone, and then power up the phone as we do it. Text the camera, text everything. So let's just unbox the phone now, and let's see what we're going to get for the phone. Okay, so in case you're wondering what is inside the phone, this is everything inside the phone. The phone itself, the charger, USB Type-C, and there is a fast charging adapter. The jelly case, most phones now do come with jelly case, especially phone out of China. So I'm not surprised to have this. And paperwork with the SIM ejector. Nobody cares about this, but you need to read this. This is terms and condition, but I don't read it either. So, well, it's very important. You need to read it. The SIM ejector, I can't find it nowhere. No, I don't know where it is. It's not there. But I've got loads of SIM ejector at home. That's not a problem. Or is it hidden there? Let me see. Oh yeah, it's hiding inside this place. So I think that's practically everything inside the box. If you're gonna buy this phone, it's a budget phone. I'm not expecting too many stuff from this unboxing. But my main concern is the phone. This is a 6,000 milliamp battery phone, 6.53 full HD display. This is no joke. This is running Snapdragon 662. So I'm gonna power up the phone now, guys. Then show you what inside the settings, test the camera, test the display. Okay, guys. I power up the phone. I set up the phone, and before we go into the settings, just a quick one. Let's talk about the specification. The back of this phone did remind me of a Nokia phone. I can't remember the Nokia. I'm trying to remember, but I can't. Just the back alone, did remind me of a Nokia phone. So anyway, the camera. Let's start from the camera. We got 48 megapixel full HD 1080p camera. We got two smaller cameras. One is a macro camera, one is a depth camera. The 48 megapixel is a wide angle camera, obviously, and it's 1080p. The back of the phone is plastic. In case you're wondering, it does feel like leather. It might look like leather in the camera, but it's plastic. This is plastic, which is not too bad. Most phones do go in the case. If you don't have a jelly case, you have a leather case. Having said that, this is a 6.53 full HD screen display. With 6,000 milliamp battery, Bluetooth 5.0. Wow, I was checking everything before, and I saw a Bluetooth 5.0 for a budget phone. That's a plus. That's a real plus for this phone. Volume up, volume down on the side, and the power button double ups at the fingerprint sensor. I think Sony started this stuff. Putting fingerprint sensor on the power button. So at the bottom, it's got dual speaker. This is stereo speaker. One is at the top and one is at the bottom, which is good. USB Type-C, fast charge, 18 watts. Not bad for a budget phone. No, it's not bad. Front facing camera is 8 megapixel. We are here to test everything anyway. So let's jump into the setting, guys. Okay, so if you go into the setting of this phone, this is what you're going to be getting. About the phone, system apps updater, security status. So the first three. It looks like Samsung settings a little bit, but not 100%, a little bit, and it's different. So this is about the phone, Poco M3, 19 gig left. What? 19 gig occupied out of 64. Wow. I think they have some pre-installed application, so that's why. Again, that system app updater, probably you're just going to update all the apps on your phone. I think that's what it does. Security status, find my phone, security update. The last security update is 2020. Wow. That's not good. Okay, so Bluetooth, connect and share, lock screen, display. On the display, you got the dark mode and the light mode, you know. That's probably because it's Android 10, because that's what Google was shouting in Android 10. So this is dark mode. I don't know if I should leave it in dark mode. It's alright, but I think I want the bright side of the phone, so I'm going to put on the light mode. Notification, the home screen. What about the home screen? Okay, change the background. High compact. Interesting. So what it means is if you don't like this icon, you can download more, or you can buy some icons on the Google Play Store and change all the icons on the phone. I don't get this on the premium device. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay. We still checking. Wallpaper, things, password and security. One thing I don't know if this phone has face unlock. You know, most phone, yeah, it does. It does have face unlock. So there's fingerprint sensor and there's face unlock. Okay, that's good. That's good. Impressive. Impressive. The phone is getting interesting day by day. Battery and performance. Okay, 63% left, and it's going to be on standby mode for 32 hours, 45 minutes, with the 63% left. Wow, that's impressive. So, because I've just put the phone on, I've just powered the phone, so I can't really tell if the battery is performing better or not, but I'll update you guys. So the apps, application setting, just the date and time, one added mode. What else we have? Digital well-being and parental control. Special features. What's on special features? Game and turbo. Okay, it's just like game mode for the Samsung devices. I don't know. I think it's like game mode, so that's good. Video toolbox. Special effects and features for video playback. Display the shortcut at the edge of the screen. I'll try this and I'm going to update you guys. Floating windows. This is like pop-up if you use Samsung phone, I think, because it said floating windows, so say like, to me it's like pop-up. I'm going to demonstrate that. Okay, that's the Google account, MIUI account, sync, privacy, location, and Samsung feedback. I think that's everything in the settings, and 12 application is waiting to be updated, but I'm not going to update it now. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to do that later after this unboxing. So let's draw these settings from the top to bottom. Let's see. Say floating windows. Okay, there's floating windows, cast, reading mode, dark mode, do not disturb, battery saver. That's a screen recorder, vibrate. Okay. Interesting. To be honest, this phone doesn't feel like a budget phone. That's one thing I do like about this. Holding this phone, looking at the screen is very clear, vibrant, sharp, crisp. It doesn't feel like a budget phone. No, I'm just wondering why we're spending too much on premium devices these days, because to be honest, you don't get to use all the features. You know, even I spend a lot on phones, buying premium devices just because of the brand name. You don't get to use all the features. This is £120 phone, £130, I can't remember. I'm sure it's not up to £150 from, it doesn't cost up to £150. So I get all these features. Wow, I can't believe it. So let's try the floating windows. What about? I'm going to use them now. Okay, let's see. Let's use AliExpress. Let's see that. So I'm going to drop down. Drawers, okay. Floating windows. Okay, like I said, it's like the pop-up, but can it be resized? It will be useless if this cannot be resized. No. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh no, it doesn't make sense. Oh, it can be resized. Just you tap it at the top. Wow. Okay. Yeah. This is fantastic. It makes sense now. You know, this is good. This is very good. Let's see if we can search for something. Let's see. Controller. Game controller or anything like that. Okay. Controller. Okay. Wow. So what it is like maybe you're busy doing something on the other side of the phone and you still want a screen to be popped up. I believe YouTube can do this too. Or you're reading something or you're watching YouTube, you can be doing anything. You just want to use two applications. This is not split screen. You know, this is not split. It doesn't affect what you do on the other side of the phone. You can resize it, you can shift it up. You know, there's a lot you can do about this phone. Okay, so let's say PS3 controller. So you can even buy. Wow. You can move it to the top. You can open another application. It stays on top. It stays on top of another application. If you close the app, it still stays on top. So this is good. This is like the screen pop-up on the Samsung Galaxy edition, you know, or the Samsung, I think from Galaxy Note 8 or Note 9, I'm not sure. I think it's from the S8. Yeah. So this is like the pop-up. And how do you close this? That's another question. How do you close it? Just move it to the side. Okay. And that's it. That's how you close it. So guys, I'm so impressed about this phone. So far so good. It's a nice phone, and then the settings does impress me, the features and the function does impress me. So what I'm going to be doing next, guys, I'm going to be jumping into the camera settings. I've not seen what the camera looks like. Let's see the camera. Let's see. Location. I'm going to allow location. Okay. Alright, so what do we have in the camera settings? So the camera side, slow mo. Wow. 48 megapixels, it's going to be shooting short videos. This does feel like a premium phone, to be honest. It doesn't look cheap, and I think the settings and the camera settings, everything, the camera UI is better than the Umidi A9 Pro. You know, I can understand these are well-established company, and these people are just starting their life. You know, they're just germinating. They are not even on that level of harvesting profit. So, but I think I would have preferred them to step up their game. So on the camera, I'm going to be taking some pictures, obviously, to show you guys what the picture does feel like. Test the sound quality, and then see what we get in the video. The screen is alright. I'm not going to, you know, doubt the screen. The screen is very crisp, sharp, but I'm going to be doing, you know, how we do it. I'm going to be doing camera review for this phone, and I don't think I'll be disappointed. So what I'm going to be doing next, guys, I'm going to be taking pictures, you know, with this phone. So let's see what the camera does feels like, guys. Okay, guys, I've got a picture of fruit in front of me, and it's got AI camera, and I believe this is going to be AI camera for real. And yes, it is AI camera, but it shows, it won't say it, but it's just show an icon that I've got food in front of me. I don't know if you can pick, if the camera can pick it, so you can see there it's a food. Now AI camera, so it's a food, and you optimize the scene. To be honest, judging by what I've seen so far, I don't think I can doubt this camera. Though it's still a budget phone, it's going to have where the, you know, there's some limitation. And in case you're wondering, this phone doesn't have NFC. So in case you're thinking about the bigger side of this phone, okay, these are premium. It's not a premium device. It's a budget phone. They've cut down, you know, some features. No NFC for this phone. Even though there's fast charge, there's no NFC. Let's take a picture. Okay, I won't doubt it because it's clear, it's crisp. Only that there's some white washed out at the edge, and I think it's because of the light reflection. Okay, because of the macro, I would like to try a macro object. So let's see, let's take this picture too. Okay, this is AI, but it's not showing animal here, it's still showing food. I don't know if it's showing food, but nah, still
It's not even showing nothing now. It's still showing food. Maybe because the plate is showing in the background. Let's see. Let's have it this way. AI. Okay, you remember the Umidigi A9 Pro? It did get everything right, but it doesn't matter. Okay. That's another one. The portrait. The portrait is meant to blur the background and then give you a bokeh effect. And to be honest, it does. Let's increase it. You can increase the aperture. Okay. Let's just leave it there. Alright. So, judging by what I've taken so far, I can't complain. It's a budget device. Yes, I cannot complain. Yeah, it's dual speaker. That is the highest volume. It's not too loud, no. It's not too loud, but it's alright. It's alright. It's not too loud, but it's alright. So guys, let me conclude. This is gonna be the end of this unboxing. I don't know why people spend too much money on phones, even me. It's crazy. I don't know why, but that is the world we live in. That is it. If you have this phone, you know, judging by someone who uses a premium device, not just premium, overpriced, I would say overpriced device. If you have this phone, you're not gonna go wrong. I'm not advertising for them. You know, I do my own review and I speak the truth. You're not going to go wrong. I bought this phone with my money. It's not free. It wasn't given to me. So I have no reason to mislead you guys. But this phone is worth the price. Way more than the price. I think this is the time I'm going to be doing a speed test with this phone. A Snapdragon versus a MediaTek processor. I think that will be good. So I'm going to be doing a speed test with this phone. But that will be later when I have the time to do it. But the next video I'm going to be showing you guys for my channel is going to be the camera review for this phone, and I'm going to compare the camera of the Umidigi A9 Pro with this phone, the Poco M3. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video today. I do appreciate your time, and I will see you when I make a new video. Bye and God bless. Please stay safe.